There we go.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to do a little comparison of a few things. We got some JConcepts Mini Magmas, specifically for the Mini XRT and the Mini Maxx. And we have the JConcepts Mini Choppers. Okay, so I know it might not be a super fair comparison, but at least they are both Mini Maxxes. Guys, this one does have a full aluminum chassis, and this Mini Maxx has the plastic chassis, but it also has the GPM chassis brace slash skid plate, which, guys, that's amazing. I carry that on my website. This will work on the XRT and the Mini Maxx. All right, so the fully upgraded chassis, check that out, guys. GPM. This truck weighs, without tires, 3 pounds, 9.4 ounces. Not sure if you can see it on the scale. And then we're gonna go ahead, check out this truck. This is not the WideMaxx, but it does have an aluminum GPM motor mount. We're running the aluminum shocks, steel GPM axles on this truck, where this truck we are running just the stock axle still. And it's gonna weigh, wow, that's incredible, guys. This truck with the plastic chassis weighs more than this one with the WideMaxx kit. So let's go see how they handle. I do want to mention before we head out that I am using, let's see if we can see that right there. I am using Losi springs. These are the 12mm Losi springs from a Losi 22 I have. So they're pretty soft. Chassis slap is going to happen, and yeah, it's pretty soft right now. First up, we're going to run the Mini Maxx WideMaxx kit with the choppers, blue GPM shocks, high tech. This is the D956WP, running the Castle Mamba Monster X. I can't remember the KV, guys. I'm sorry. I'll have to look at that. Ton of other GPM parts on here. Wheelie bar, chassis. Let's rip it, guys. Okay, Mini Magmas, Mini Choppers. Oh, it's a bag of concrete. Something's going on here, guys. Okay, that was 2S. We're gonna try 3S. See what's going on with this truck. All right. Let's give it another shot. Whoa. That's better. I wonder if that 2S is dead. Something's going on with my steering here. I think that 2S was dead. So this is, oh, I'm used to driving the big trucks, guys. This is the WideMaxx. This one you would think would handle better, right? With the choppers and the wider stance. Whew. This thing rips. Oh, Berming it, high side. Here you go. Oh. Oh, that's a perfect landing right there. All right, here we go again, guys. Oh! You guys, this truck does awesome for being 1/16 scale. There we go. Look at this thing, it's getting caked, but the tires are still doing, woo! Look at that thing, guys. Oh! Something's going on with the steering. Let's hit the water before, uh-oh. Probably dead. That's what's going on, guys. The Mini Maxx, full chassis, choppers, WideMaxx kit. Oh, she hot, guys. I can smell it. She hot. GPM shocks. Let's go. Oh, we got the GPM bulks, front and rear. Oh, guys, this could be the end of this truck's life. I think I got it too hot. Oh, she's hot. Woo! Damn, guys. Oh, she's hot. Okay, Mini Maxx number 2. We're gonna run the Mini Magmas, and we're running 3S on this truck. Yes, 3S as well. WideMaxx. This is a hobby wing system. And what else do you need to know? Full diffs, full center diff in this truck, and a Savic servo GPM shocks. And we have the steel axles with the stainless skid plate. Let's rip. All right. There we go. 3S. Blue body. Normally, I have this on my blue truck. Wait. Is it broken? That body is toast, so we got to use the same Mini Maxx body with the Magmas. All right, there we go. Oh, more of that chemtrail. All right, I'm just gonna say right off the bat, wow, this thing's a ripper. The hobby wing system has like a the hobby wing system has a little bit of a delay, and I don't really like that. But right now, what's crazy is I feel like this truck has maybe some more power, maybe about the same. I'll definitely tell you it's whew. The WideMaxx kit helps. So we're gonna go over here since we can already account for that. We can already account that the WideMaxx kit helps. So let's go bash it. Whew. Yeah, see, it's doesn't quite handle as well. Still fun. All right, let's see how well the Mini Maxx handles the curve. Oh, that's okay. We made it. Here we go. The white kit definitely helps out. So far, white kit's got my vote. And, you know, I'm not sure if it's the tires. I think it's the white kit that makes the last Mini Maxx better. This Mini Maxx with the Magmas, maybe we needed to have the choppers on this one since it's a little more narrow and not as much grip. All right, let's see what we can do on this jump right here. There we go. Finally landed one. Oh, see. Here we go. Let's try it again. Oh. That worked. Oh, yeah! Way better when I can see it. Oh, yeah. There we go. The Mini Maxx. I think the Mini Maxx is on rails right now, guys. Okay, so let's go ahead and give it our final evaluation.